Now we are going to see about protozoa. Introduction. Protozoa are diverse single-cell eukaryotic organisms found worldwide, mostly in moist environment. Most species are free-living, but some are harmful. But all higher animals are infected with one or more species of protozoa. Protozoa are more complex than bacteria but simpler than other animals. The protozoa are considered to be a subkingdom of the kingdom Protista. Anton von Leeuwenhoek was the first person to see protozoa. Using microscope he constructed with simple lens. Between the years 1674 to 1716, he described a free-living protozoa and several parasitic species from animals, and he also described Giardia lambia species from his own stool sample. Next is morphological diversity. Protozoa exhibit significant morphological diversity ranging from simple amorphous shape to complex, highly structured forms. They can be classified into groups based on their locomotion and overall shape, including flagellates, ciliates, and amoebas. Their shape also vary greatly from microscopic to few millimeters. Next one is shape. Protozoa display a wide range of shape including spherical, oval, and elongated and irregular forms. Some like amoebas, it can change shape constantly as they move, while others like ciliate, it have a more fixed morphology due to structure like cytoskeleton. Next one is size. Protozoa vary significantly in size, with some being only a few micrometer in diameter, while other can reach several millimeters. Next one is locomotion. Protozoa utilize various structures for movement, including flagella, cilia, pseudopodia. Flagella is long white-like appendages that propel the cell. Cilia is like a short hair-like structure that beat into coordinate matter to move the cell or create currents. Pseudopodia is a temporary extension of the cell membrane. It is used for crawling and engulfing the food. Now we are going to see about the classification. Protozoa are classified into four main groups based on their method of locomotion, like flagellates, amoeboids, ciliates, and sporozoa. These groups are further categorized based on their characteristics like morphology and life cycle. First one is flagellate. It uses flagella for movement, which are white-like structure. Example includes Giardia and Trypanosoma. Second one is amoeboids. It moves using temporary extension of their cell membrane called pseudopodia, also called as false feet. Example includes amoeba and entomoeba. Third one is ciliates. It utilizes cilia for movement and feeding. It is like a short hair-like structure. Paramecia is a well-known example. Fourth one is sporozoa. All members are parasitic and lack specialized locomotory organelles. Plasmodium, which cause malaria, is a notable example. The pictures below are the different shapes of protozoa. Next one is reproductive strategies. Protozoa utilize both asexual and sexual reproductive strategies. Asexual reproduction, it is a more common method. It involves a process like binary fission, multiple fission, budding, and plasmatomy, producing genetically identical offsprings. Sexual reproduction, it is often occurring through conjugation or syngamy. It involves the exchange of genetic material leading to offspring with unique genetic combination. Asexual reproduction. First is binary fission. The parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells. This is the most common form of asexual reproduction in protozoa. Second one is multiple fission. A single cell divides into a multiple daughter cell. It is known as multiple fission. Third one is budding. A new individual develops as an outgrowth or bud from the parent cell. Fourth one is plasmatomy. A multinucleate cell divides into daughter cell, each containing multiple nuclei. Zygogony. A repeated nuclear division occur followed by the division of the cell into numerous uninucleate daughter cell. Sexual reproduction. First one is conjugation. Two protozoa temporarily fuse and exchange genetic material. This is a common in ciliates. Second one is syngamy. It involves the fusion of two gametes or to form a zygote. This can be further categorized into autogamy, exogamy, isogamy, anisogamy. Autogamy is the fusion of two nuclei within the same cell. Exogamy is the fusion of gametes from different individuals. Isogamy is the fusion of similar sized gametes. Anisogamy is the fusion of morphologically different gametes. Other key points are some protozoa alternate between asexual and sexual reproduction within their life cycle. Sexual reproduction introduces genetic variation which can help protozoa adapt to changing environments. Example of protozoa with both asexual and sexual reproduction include Plasmodium, the parasite that causes malaria.